Hi, my name is Jessica and I live on a beautiful island called Jamaica. Today's vlog is going to be different. I will take you guys along my bathing suit photo shoot with Rush Media JE by this beautiful beach in Portland. Remember to like this video and if you're new, consider to subscribe. Blessed good morning. Yeah, all dolly up. Oh, this is so different. Usually I go on an adventure and I look like, I don't know what, like a cave woman. Coming out of the water, dive, running through the bush. But today, guys, we're on a different mission and you know what? It feels cute. It feels, you know, for once, girly stuff. I'm heading to a photo shoot and I am taking you with me. Don't worry. I'll tag you along. So heading to the beach. Yes, so it's a beach photo shoot. No river this time. No, we're not going to the river. We're doing something different. And I look like I just woke up, which is right. Okay, let me focus on that road and then, because you know I'm in Portland and the road is a mess. Yeah. Photographer said he's on his way. That's excellent. The weather, well, a little forecast. It was raining, but that's, if you're from Portland, you know that's part of the morning. Yeah, we get always our little morning rain, so no worry to panic. All right, guys, I'll catch you at the beach. Let's see if you can guess the beach. Funny, so usually I started maybe a couple of years ago, 3 or 4, something like that. I actually started to have a photo shoot for my birthday, like always. I want to have a birthday photo shoot, but this year it didn't happen because I was in the Dominican Republic, right? You guys remember the video? Yeah. So guys, we're having a photo shoot this morning. And of course a little cooking because, you know, we're going to be hungry, so we're going to cook up a little food, nothing which going to take too long because photo shoot alone going to take long. I know that's a fact, especially if you have no clue about how to pose. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, I did a little, I'm making progress, but it's no use when it comes to that. I need a lot of assistance. People have to tell me, all right, so it's gonna take time. You're really excited. Yeah, I have even some makeup on. Yeah, I'm in the right color, but that's all I have. Yeah, makes me actually a little lighter than I am. I mean, I'm already light, but so I would prefer to have either my tone or one tone up, you know, give me a nice glowing brown. But anyway, I'll work with that. I'm excited. Yes. Yeah, guys, yesterday, that vlog is gonna come in soon. Shark sent us back to land. That mission got abandoned quickly, man. Yo, big ass shark lurking around in the dirty water. Anyway, that's for our next vlog. All right, catch you by the beach. Bye. We're here. And sometimes I reach at these locations early morning. I'm like, why am I not coming more often so early? Because it's so beautiful. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Oh, I love it. The only thing, the gate is closed and I would love to drive in my car. But that have to probably, it's not going to open till 10 o'clock. We have a little after 7 now. Yeah, forecast, but yeah. We're working with a great photographer who knows his job. Yeah man. So let's see where he is. He's on his way. All right, let me get my stuff. There's more than one outfit. Yeah. Head over to my Instagram because that's where you're gonna see the pictures. Yes. Hello.
I'm a go fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I'ma go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich.
Waiting on the photographer. Oh, he's arriving. Yay! Production people. I hope they're gonna be nice. No, they have to be nice. They're going to be nice. Let's start. Hi people, the crew has arrived. Yes, we have. See guys, Rush Media. You know, if you need a photographer and videographer as well, right? Not photography. Right. Then that's your link, people. Yeah. Bye. Show this photo shoot for you, but I'm not doing a great job at all. Okay, let's see if you can get at least this one. I'll be right back. We're doing this. Yeah. So nice pictures for Christmas. Yeah. While the cameraman is setting up, I'll try the poses. Which one is best? Now we're having this outfit and looking for another spot. But there, no, we did over there. So now we're gonna do something here. Yes. And I cannot wait to jump into here when I'm done and mash up all of my makeup. That's what I love do. Mash up my hairstyle and my makeup. If there's still makeup on my face because I'm sweating like I'm in the desert. Didn't even get to go to the hairdresser, can you imagine? Anyways, I work with a natural thing. We're gonna have it right here by this rock. Yes, with a pink bathing suit. The red bathing suit. Well, it's actually not a bathing suit. The red suit, or whatever you wanna call it, body whatever. And then I had like the reggae mesh thing, and I have this one, the pink. So let's see how this is gonna work. good. Oh, beautiful. It's been a while I haven't been to this beach. Perfect surfing day. I should go out and surf. Guys, let me do the vlogging. This modeling is a very, very difficult. Yeah man, that's nice. Every time I look through the camera, it's so nice. With the photographer. I know ladies, you want to know now who is this cameraman. Yeah. So you can get your Christmas photo session thing up. It's not gonna work. Look nice with a pink. Let's see if those green work. Just to capture the action. Yeah. Setting up, getting the shot right. Outside. Ready. Yeah. Oh, nice! That is so cool! I love it! Yo, this is no more gonna count, guys. I can't wait to show you this. Oh, this is so nice. Yo, pick up yourself. I'm so excited. Just calm down. Calm down. I'm improving. I'm getting better at this. Yes. And I was like, I don't know. I wasn't even sure if it's gonna make sense. That position turned out to be so cool. Alright, that was the last set. Yes. So we're gonna. Should I go and surf? I don't know. I'm hungry. So I'm soon gonna tell you guys how this continues because there is a change of plans. Change of plans. Up the team full of skills here. He's so shy because he's the he's the professional right here doing all the magic. Rush, come, I know you can't be that shy.
I am.
Alright, you are?
I am.
Alright, Rush, where can people find you if they would like to you know,
Instagram.
Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your handle?
Rush Media J.
JA, Rush Media JA? Alright guys, I'm gonna leave that in the description. So basically, so they can reach out to you there?
Right, definitely. All the other information is there. But
Is there? Alright. You can check out his Instagram and then, you know, get some inspiration there. A lot of nice, beautiful pictures are there. And then, of course, you can check out my Instagram to see what his photo shoot. And yeah, and maybe you want your Christmas photo shoot as well. So link Rush Media for your session. And that is in Port Antonio, right? Yes, so the office is in Port Antonio, Portland. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. Already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.
Alright people, so a little change of plans right here, but I'm at a Boston Rec Center. So the plan was really to do another little cookout right there. The plan was to do another cookout. Don't even have nothing on me, so no pot, no utensils, anything. That was supposed to, so I was supposed to link with a Momo and she would have brought all of that today. So there's just no cook. But no worry, I'll here at the Rec Center and see if they can cook some vegetables for me because I don't eat meat. See what they have for me, and then yeah, guys, just follow me. That's just what it is for today. Yeah, a little unfortunate. I really was looking forward to do a little cooking for you guys, but I'm happy with the photo shoot. It's really cool.
Welcome to my place.
Hi. There's one thing in Jamaica. If you travel in Jamaica and you're vegetarian and there's nothing else, there will be cabbage. Nice. At the Rec Center eating cabbage. plate of vegetables at the church center. You also have to know about music. Oh, I like the twisted music. Yes. Top DJ. Yeah, what? Guys, that's Sheppy. Yeah, I did nice juice bar. You know, I have never tried Sheppy smoothies. How you recommend?
Right now, it all depends on what your taste bud requires. You know, if you want a little alcohol buzz, you have the best pina colada, strawberry daiquiri, dirty banana.
Put it back, pine and ginger, cucumber, gangali, strawberry daiquiri, blue lagoon, pina colada, green juice, dirty banana, freestyle shakes. All right. So where's the smoothie Sheppy special?
The special
that coming up.
It's actually the put it back. That's what I started with.
To put it back?
Yeah.
Maybe I should get this. By the way, this is also where you can go to Great Huts. Great Huts would be over there. Yes. So we're in Boston, getting my smoothie breakfast here. If you like a jerk chicken, jerk pork, jerk everything, that's where you have to come. Yeah, your place. So let's see what's up with the rest of the day. I'm heading back. And yeah, get a smoothie now. Guys, I'm so excited about these pictures. Like, I love them. I cannot even wait. And even some drone shots. Oh my, so cool. Like there, pine and ginger.
Pine and ginger.
You see, it's in the week. I think today is what, Tuesday? So that's why it's not so busy, right? Famous jerk pan. Champion, what's up? The jerk center right here. Then famous one right to the other side. All of that. You see, guys, you come here, I get you a nice jerk. That's how it goes. Aye! Everything happens right here. All of the cooking. I have the jerk sauce and everything. But it's in the middle of the week. It's a Tuesday. It's a little still early. So if you come here on a weekend, a lot of people. And I would have been able probably to show you guys even some, like a lot of meat. Yeah, and what we have here, cane juice. Yeah, I see Great Huts around there. That's it. That's Boston. Famous Boston. Famous for jerk chicken. Yeah. So, and I did the photo shoot at the Boston Beach. So yeah, Boston Beach with Rush Media. Yeah. Now I'm waiting on my juice. And then we're heading to Porty. And then I have supposed to meet NJ and have to give him something. And then I head to, oh, and I need to go to Spare House because they stole my knife. Guys, can you believe it? My good knife. So I will go and get another knife, dive knife, the same one. Yeah. Because you know I'm going on this expedition end of the month. I don't even know who is diving with me, so I just wanna. It's always good to have a knife. Safer, much safer. Guys, Sheppy's music. The DJ, right? So you see the twist there. Yeah, man, music. DJ. I took pine and ginger. That's nice. Yeah, pine and ginger. Finish. Music selection. Yes.
Yes, for me, a lot of people eat for health purpose. Me eat for
Yes, the famous one. That's how it started. Yeah, so we're gonna get that as well.
Build up your confidence. Yeah. That's how difficult eating, right?
So we have here.
Natural cane juice, ice cold, freshly squeezed.
Wow. Nice. Where can I find you?
Oh, you can find me right here in Boston, right here now.
Okay. People here, you want your cane juice right here with that machine you make it?
Yes, I have this machine.
Ha, that's so cool. You just come here, Boston, and get your cane juice. Nice.
From Jabuki.
From Jabuki.
Yeah.
All right, Jabuki, bless up.
Blessings, blessings.
All right. Got this one for the road. I put it back. It's so good. So that is Sheppy's signature smoothie. Definitely try that one. It's so good. It's so good. It is so good. Yeah. So what next? Oh yeah. Drop off something for NJ, and then we're going to Spear House. That's the spear fishing shop in Portland. And then what? What are we going to do? See, I'm not used to this. I'm used to we having a cookout, and then I show you guys the cooking. But I'm not doing this lifestyle vlog. This is actually difficult. I always thought this is actually super cool, these lifestyle videos where the people are just, you know, videoing their daily whatever flow. Oh yeah, catch into this. And look who I met.
Yes, buck up in Jessica, freelance jockey, just come
Freelance
to
jockey,
you know? So,
yes.
And she come to my place and
Yeah.
shoot video, and it's so super nice video.
Right.
But she need to come back over.
Need to
but
come back. We need to do that busu soup.
Yes,
Right?
definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. But my place is so super busy.
Yeah.
People have to fight to get booking on my Airbnb site. To be honest with you, you know, you can't almost book out already for 2023, you know. You go on the site.
Really?
Really.
Guys, I was just to say like go and book your place, but it looked like you have to really be fast.
It seems like I have to do some
for
more.
next year.
To
Or
do
to
some
add
more
some more
expansion.
cottage.
Yeah. That's
Expansion.
yeah. But
Oh.
everything's super nice.
Because as you know already, guys, Freelance Jockey or the YouTube channel, check out definitely the channel and the river. I love the river.
Yes.
Yo, up there, nice. Guys, actually it's one of my favorite river up there. Definitely.
More than Rio Grande? More than Rio Grande?
Yeah.
Yeah? Because it have the little rock where you
That
can
the
go
rock,
and
I just
jump
feel
off.
like the jump off, and it's just a vibe. The rock is just beautiful.
Super.
It's deep, you can dive, it has a lot of boost.
Yeah, so,
Even
so,
though Rio are a lot
so we're
of
gonna plan it out, you know.
we have to do that.
Yes, and come back
Yeah,
over,
man.
okay?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Even because that, even if you're fully booked, we still can do it.
Still can go, and it's better to can get more guests.
Yeah,
to
we
go.
can do a day thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
No problem. So,
Sounds good. See,
so,
guys,
So when you're ready, you can bump in, okay?
we'll do that.
One love. Bless,
One love.
yeah?
Take care, guys.
All right.
Didn't I told you guys about this big truck driver have to maneuver in this small roads? Oh my god. Anyway, so usually I'm not really I always try to drive early morning or in the evening because I don't have AC, so and I'm sweating. But things just different today, and that's why you see me in town. In the day I look, I'll meet Chucky and meet and I'm just meeting people everywhere. Oh man, please make me drive. It's hot. Let me drive. I'm melting away. Can I pass? Thank you. But you see, if it's hot like that and the traffic is not moving, Lord God. All right, so we have the marina to the right. Yeah. Guys, anyways guys, so what I was going to say is, so this lifestyle vlogger, right? I really think it's a cool thing, and I would love to be one. But so you see, usually it's a cookout, right? So it's quite easy. We're doing the cooking, I show you, we do the diving, and we're exploring places. I show you the beauty, I show you guys the beautiful rivers. But now I'm supposed to talk, and I'm like, what should I say? What am I even talking about? And I noticed that it's actually really difficult. And they have like 2 million views, and they're in their kitchen making coffee. And they're just talking. You see, just talking. Italy, not that easy. Because I was like, all right, change of plans. I could basically turn it into a regular lifestyle vlog. I'm going home. I'm going through the city now. But I'm really challenged. I'm like me. I have to kind of look into this, the art of lifestyle vlogging. Hey, let me get something to drink. Some water. Yeah. Water for the road. And I like apple J. The other day I was in Kingston and I was like, you have an apple J? I was like, apple J? That's don't sell no more. I said, of course. So our country. I guess. Yes. We do sell apple J. At least in Portland, you can get it. See? You can get it in Portland. Apple J nice. What else do I want? That's it. Come, let's go. Drinks. Oh yes, guys. So we going to Spear House. That is where you can buy anything and everything to do with fishing. So I'm gonna take you there since that's what we do today. Usually what I do when I drive long distance, like a 3-hour drive, I always check oil. It's a little older car, so definitely check the oil and have a look to the oil and the coolant, and I check my tires. This tire looks like it wants some air. Since I will be driving like for the next 2-3 hours, I will check my tires and I check coolant. I check the coolant and I check oil. This car is a 2009, so maybe with the newer cars you wouldn't have to do that. But this is a little older car, so yeah. Ooh, even drives better. So. All you need. Yeah. They are here. I know you can send some girls to some shoe store and they will buy a lot of shoes. Send me to here. Yes, so that is my candy shop. Spear House. You see, you have mask, you have snorkel, you have knife, weight belt, line, fin. What? Guys, you don't want to send me something like this for my Christmas? Oh my god, imagine, maybe someone ever send me something like this for Christmas. Maybe I'll Spear House. You have these. Oh, these would be good. Nice, black. Jacko. Oh. And you have those guns. This is a 75. Nice. Cute. Yeah. Huh. And it gets more and more. So my one almost, no, a little less. It's not really a 110. Oh, you have with a reel. No, nice. This is what I have here. Shooter. Oh, you have a dive watch. I saw you, Casio. Yeah. This. Everything is here. All right, so I want the knife. Which one was it? Right. All right. I have my stuff. I have a rubber, the pink one. Almost won't change. So since I'm going on a spearfishing mission, I want to have a backup rubber. I'm not going so far. And then things bust on me and then the mission done. So I have a spare rubber and I have a knife again. So again, I'm going on a mission and I want to have a knife. So yeah, knife, rubber, it's heavy gun. I don't know why this gun is so heavy, but it's very good. Anyway guys, this is St. Margaret's Bay. If you need anything, that's your place. Even the spare tire is good to check. Every now and then check on your spare tires, because you don't want to be out there having a puncture and then realizing that actually your spare tire as well is low. Spare tire, yeah, so I usually check all those stuff before I drive like more than an hour. Like now I'm driving 3 hours, so yeah. Why is this road now blocking up? Nah. So all you guys, ladies driving out there, check on your car when you go on the road. Check the oil, check your coolant, check your windscreen, check your spare tire, check your tires. Well, that is if you have an older car. I guess the newer cars don't need that. But now I'm standing in traffic. What's going on here? But guys, supposed to go in this line in Anatobe, and this is a good rest stop because they have actually restroom right here by the gas station. Yeah, you can sit, and even if you're tired, you can also, you know, they have this little section here at the back. Hey, oh, look at these crabs, all the baby crabs. Where are you running? Ah, follow your mommy. This crab family running away. Guys, I swear, I do not like to drive a lot. I always drive, but I don't like it. I always get tired. So, easily get tired. So I would just stop like this, use the restroom, walk around, get about some water, and hit the road again. Yeah. So I'm looking out, I was so looking forward for the cookout link up, but it was not this time. That's just how it goes, and we have to adapt, right? That's how life goes. We just have to adapt, work with the situation, and then improvise and do something different. So I went along with the photo shoot, which was very cool, and then I just bought food because I wish I had utensils there to just continue even with the cooking, but I had nothing on me, not even no pot, no nothing. No. So yeah. So what you guys saw, I bought a smoothie and I went to the church center, and now I am actually right now I'm heading to Kingston. So that's why I'm in Anatobe now, and the journey continues. Yeah. All right, but I think this is it for me for this vlog. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, and catch me back on the next adventure, which will be back in the water.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop